Guys, we're here today talking about the perfect value-added crop, or a crop that you could add to your farm stand or potential farm stand that has massive potential for multiplying your profitability and or starting a new business. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever been to a farmer's market, farm stand, or your local grocery store and not seen some specialty mushrooms? Now we're talking oyster mushrooms, lion's mane, maitake, shiitake. I'm sure you have. Even here in Pennsylvania, there are local grocery stores, even the large grocery chains do not have these specialty mushrooms available in their produce sections. It's absolutely crazy. So if that's the case, there is a market potential for you to step up and step into something new with a high value added on product such as mushrooms. So there's a huge market gap here. The reality is customers are willing to pay a high dollar value for something that is specialty and gourmet. And a lot of places are lacking the ability or capabilities to actually fulfill these needs. Mushrooms are hot. Everybody wants to get into the mushroom game. And there's a lot of easy ways that you can do that. So now let's say you want to start a farm stand. You're not quite sure how to go about that. Well, it's quite simple with mushrooms. In just 2 weeks, you can have harvested mushrooms ready to rock and be ready to hit a farmer's market and start adding value to your local community and to your already existing business. This is like one of the easiest farming ventures you can get into, that you don't need a whole ton of equipment, a whole ton of space, a whole ton of time to commit some of your effort to start making money. It's actually really simple and really straightforward. So for us, we started at farmers markets. It was the foundation of all of our success up until this point. It was a super foundational piece. And now we're in a place where we're supplying others with the ability and capabilities to buy some ready to fruit blocks like you see behind me, grow them out in 7 to 14 days, get a harvested crop, and hit the farmer's market. And we're doing that for other people right now in Pennsylvania. Lots of our customers are doing the farmers markets that we started at, and there are still a boatload of farmers markets that do not have anybody at them. There's money left on the table, and multitudes of grocery stores that still do not have specialty mushrooms in their aisles, which is absolutely insane. So I've seen this be successful for a lot of my friends. A lot of people in the industry have just picked it up, got into some farmers markets, and now they're running their own business. It's absolutely insane how quickly you can get into this. So what we're here showing you, telling you, want you to understand is that this is not something that you need a huge 10,000 square foot warehouse to do it in, but simply a basement. We started in a basement with $300, and it quickly grew from there. We were soon doing 6 or 7 farmers markets in our area, all of them profitable, all of them bringing in money to the business. And as I stated before, this eventually led to us being able to step up and step into some other stuff. And it ultimately led to us being able to purchase 70 acres of land here in Pennsylvania, put up this 8,000 square foot warehouse, and grow much more, which is what we're trying to do. So here's how you can do this. There's a couple of ways, but this is absolutely the easiest way. You can buy ready to fruit substrate, set up a grow tent in your basement, in your garage. You can still be working full time. I actually recommend that you still hold down another job until you get to the point where this is totally replacing your other income. So the easiest way, buy ready to fruit substrate. These blocks, we sell 10 different varieties of mushrooms here, or different ready to fruit substrate blocks, I should say. And all of them are ready to grow in 14 days. So simply buy the block, put it in a grow room that has humidification, some light, some airflow, good exhaust, getting clean air, and you're growing mushrooms. It's really as easy as the tabletop kits that you see online. So simple setup, simple. All you need are blocks, a grow tent, couple of fans, and you're growing. So check out a couple more of our videos. We'll be walking you through how to set up a little shotgun fruiting chamber, how to get rolling, step into the industry, and potentially start a new business for yourself. So stick with us and grow much more.